Hey everyone, this is Tyler here from Big Lakes Dodge in High Prairie, Alberta. We're going to be taking a look at this used 2023 Ram 1500 Bighorn. It's a crew cab, 4x4. It's got that two-tone color on there because it's the backcountry package. This one also comes with the V8, 5.7 V8 with the eTorque. And then they also have this, since it's a used vehicle, the previous owner I put in a light bar. And then I'll show you the switch on the inside there. Got some flaps on the front and the rear there. Black badging. It's that nice backcountry package because it's got that two-tone on there. Off-road stickers. Then you got your park view backup camera. And then you got a 7-pin wiring harness down there. That's your nice dual-tip exhaust. Black badging all the way around. And this backcountry package comes with the raised ride height, and then you also got the dampened tailgate. I'll show you this, so it doesn't slam down on you. And then it also comes with the black MOPAR tubular side steps, and then a fuel tank skid plate, transfer case skid plate, front suspension skid plate, steering gear skid plate, and then you got this MOPAR spray and box liner. It's a nice truck. And then we'll go take a look on the inside now. And then you got your eTorque right there. And it's got and with the eTorque, that means it's got like regenerative braking, so whenever you let off, like kind of recharges that second battery that's in there. Got some nice materials here. You got contrasting materials there. You got your storage, your one-touch window goes down, one touch it goes up. Then you got your backcountry badging right there. Nice little storage space in there. A glove box with all your manual necessary information. And you got your MOPAR Ram weather mats, all weather mats. And underneath the front seat passenger side, you got your jack. And you got some nice seats here. These seats are heated, and they're also got a heated steering wheel on that side. Yeah, got more same contrasting materials there. Storage. You got a nice little map holder. Some cloth inserts. And then you got your cup holders. Don't want anyone spilling any drinks. You got extra cup holders right there. And you got your direction for your heat. You got your also got your all-weather mats in the back here as well. And then underneath that, you got your in-floor storage bins on both sides. It's on this side and that side. I'll go around, we'll show you. I already talked to you a little bit about that. It's got the spray and box liner, and then you got your rails here as well, your MOPAR rails. Lots of storage in these trucks, lots of it. And then you got this, you can lift this seat up. I was going to show you that other RAM box, oh not the RAM box, in-floor storage. Sorry, I always get that confused. Nice little map holder. You got your heated mirrors, so they'll stay nice and warm for you during the winter, so they don't freeze up, get icy, so you can always see where you're going. Lots of storage, like I said. Got your locks, your locking doors, your window locks, your window controls, your power mirrors. They can squeeze in like that. And then this is the little switch here for turn that on so your light bar's on. Excuse me. And you got your lights. Yeah, you got your electronic park brake. You got your lumbar control, power seats. All right, let's hop in. I'll show you a little bit more on the inside. Now that we're on the inside here, on the steering wheel, you got your gear limiters, So that way, if you're driving in the hills and the mountains or something like that, or up and down hills, you can select the gear limit. That way you're not just going through a bunch of gears and wasting a bunch of fuel. You got your voice control, voice recognition. You can answer your calls. You can toggle through everything on here. And with that, you can go set up your screen, your messages, shows what you're listening to, and it's also AM, FM, and Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capable. Got your trailer tow information with your trailer brake, and then your trailer brake is right there. That's where you can set your gain. You got your trip, and then your start and stop. And then your start and stop is like if you're in stop and go traffic, it'll shut off your engine so you can save fuel economy. But you could also turn that off just by hitting that button right there. Then your start and stop is off, and it'll show you right there. And then just keep it back on. Yeah, you got your trip, fuel economy, and you got your off-road pages. Shows your pitch and roll. Your drivetrain shows you your steering angle. See, look, shows you your steering angle. Be a nice hunting truck, that's for sure. And then you can also lock your axles. I got your axle lock button right there. You just hit that, and then you lock your rear axle, and it tells you right there. Turn that off. You got all your vehicle info, oil life, battery voltage, all that fun stuff. Your idle time, drive time, tire pressure, coolant temperature, transmission temperature. And then we're back to the speedo. And then up here on a nice little armrest. And then you got all this, some storage. You got even more storage in here. And nice little change holders, cup holders. You can slide this up, and there's even more down there. And then here you got nice little phone holders. You can slide your phone in there so when you're driving. And then you can put your cord through here. So if you have Android Auto or Apple CarPlay on, that'll always be nice so you're not fumbling around with it. You got your USBs, your USB-C, auxiliary inputs, and then like I showed you earlier, your gain for your trailer brake, and you got your traction control, tow haul mode, and then this is your analog switch for your heated seats, and passenger side, this is for your heated steering wheel, and this is your air, how much air you want, how hot you want it, how cold you want it, where you want it, and then you got this, your home screen here. You can customize this. You got to put that to wherever you want, whichever way you seem fit, whichever way you like it. And then you got navigation on here as well. And then you got your media, AM, FM, like I said, Android Auto and Apple CarPlay capable. Your climate control, and then you could also control your climate control right there. Or you can just do it if you like doing it on the touch screen. Then you control your heated seats where you want it and all that stuff, like I said earlier. Bluetooth capable. Then you got your mirror dimmer and then your backup camera. And you got all your apps here. Got your USBs, SiriusXM, Bluetooth, all that fun stuff. And then up here, you got your control for your rear sliding window. Let me show you back here. You got your dome lights, your roadside assistance, SOS, and your sunglasses holder. And then you also got the vanity mirror on this side that lights up for your honey. Alright everyone, if you like this truck, just come stop in Big Lakes Dodge in High Prairie, Alberta. Schedule a test drive, and then we'll see you when you come in. Alright everyone, have a good day.